Hey kids, Charlie Busso here. We're going to look at page 9 of the bonding notes. Draw 2 Lewis dot diagrams for the atoms of oxygen. Well, here's one. Here's another one. Both oxygens have a 2-8 electron configuration. Ha! 2-6. Look at me. 8 electrons altogether. 2, 6. 6 dots here, 6 dots here. No problem. But how are we going to get them? This oxygen needs 2, and this atom also needs 2. And yes, of course they can do it together. You're going to memorize this because it's really important. Here is oxygen with 6 dots, and then here is oxygen with 6 dots. This red atom is going to borrow 2 electrons, and this black atom is going to borrow 2 electrons. So both end up with 8 electrons by sharing. To do this, we say that oxygen makes a double non-polar covalent bond. Why is it non-polar? Because one atom has a 3.4 electronegativity, and the other oxygen also has a 3.4, and there's 0 difference. And that means it's non-polar. All right, Huckelbrief twins. H and H. Structural diagrams. H and H. Single, non-polar, covalent. Oxygen, double, non-polar, covalent. F to F, single, non-polar, covalent. Cl to Cl, single, non-polar, covalent. Listen, they share 1 pair of electrons, they share 2 pairs of electrons, that's why it's double. They share 1 pair of electrons, they share 1 pair of electrons. They're all nonpolar because they all have the same electronegativity. 3.4 and 3.4, difference is 0. 4.0, 4.0, the difference is 0. 2.2, 2.2, 0. This is 3.2 and 3.2, the difference is 0. BR, single, nonpolar, covalent. Of course it's nonpolar. They have the same electronegativity. I. This is a single nonpolar covalent bond. All right. Nitrogen. A single atom of nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. 2-5 is the electron configuration. How many electrons do each of these? Here's another one on this side. I'll draw another one in red. They both need 3. Can they share 3? Yes, but not the way they're drawn. How are we going to draw it so that it's going to look like it's going to work better? How about this? I'm going to make nitrogen have 2 dots like that. And then I'm going to put 3 dots like this. The next one's going to have 3 dots like this and 2 dots on the outside. This is called a triple nonpolar covalent bond because these 2 N atoms share 3 pairs of electrons. Sharing 3 pairs. Look, 1, 2, 3. We could draw it like this structurally. This is called a triple nonpolar covalent bond.